All students. So the for permission of cabinet, the polling procedure had come to an end yesterday. So today the counting procedure will start. So I shall call Arpan Behra from class 7 to count the votes for food minister. Receive the counting sheet from respected principal sir. So I would like to call Sumit sir from class 8 to receive the counting sheet from sir. He will count the sports and cultural minister votes. Come, Sumit. Receive this from sir. I will call now Amrita Patel from class 7. She will count the votes for education minister. Receive the seat from principal sir. For the votes of prime minister, I would like to call Divyajyoti Dandasna from class 8. She will count the votes for Prime Minister. Receive the seat from sir. For all this counting procedure, the head observer will be Mamuni Tanti from class 9. I would like to call Mamuni to receive the seat. Receive the seat from principal. Call Rani Naik from class 8 and Roji Bharia from class 9 for counting the ballot paper. Receive the seat from respected principal sir. Receive the seat. Now we shall go for bringing the ballot paper box that was placed secretly in the strong room yesterday. I would like to tell the election officer to give the key to the presiding officer for doing the same. Thank you. I would like to tell Mamuni to open the ballot box and start the counting procedure.
counting of this first 200 votes, the leading candidates for the Department of Health Minister, that is Subrat Behera from class 9 with 54 number of votes. That is about Health Minister. Now comes to Education Minister. By the end of this counting of 200 number of votes, Asika Patel with 5 votes, Pooja Thakur 3 votes, Payal Patel 10 number of votes, Aanchal Agrawal 23 number of votes, and Adarsh Naik with 76 number of votes. 32 number of votes goes to Aryan Behera. Khushi Naik is on with 23 number of votes. Hemani Seth got 9 number of votes. And Ajasa Behera with 27 number of votes. And here is, in this portfolio Education Ministry, the leading candidate is again Adarsh Naik with 76 number of votes. So it is about Education Ministry. Now it's the time to declare continuous result of Food Minister. By the end of counting of this 200 first votes, 200 votes, 7 number of votes goes to Kiran Behera, 16 votes for Deepika Pradhan, 59 votes for Soumyaranjan Parida, 6 number of votes goes to Aman Behera, Gaurav Mazi is on with 70 number of votes, Shivam Maji 7 number of votes, Gayatri Kisan with 10 votes, Subhasri Doshi get 14 number of votes, Diya Bhoi 52 number of votes, Dikya Kisan 3 votes, Kunjalata Dansana 8 number of votes, and Surendra Rohidas is on with 9 number of votes. So, by the end of this counting of 200 number of votes, again the top candidate is Soumyaranjan Parida with 59 number of votes. Actually, by the end of 100 votes, it was Diya Bhoi, but by the next 100 votes counting, Soumyaranjan Parida came again. Thank you. Now it's time to declare the results of Sports and Cultural Ministry. 34 votes for Piyush Kumar Patel, 75 votes for Pritam Shah, 5 votes for Yashwant Hoi, 3 for Chaitanya Maji, 0 for Chandramani Patel, 16 for Bhagwati Naik, 7 for Baby Virgantia, 9 for Archita Khilari, 17 for Sikha Rani Sahu, 39 for Abha Jyoti Patel, 3 for Priyanshi Chura, and 0 for Poonam Chaudhary. And here is, by the end of this counting of 200 votes, the top and leading candidate in this ministry, Sports and Cultural Minister, goes to Pritam Shah with 75 number of votes. So it is all about the chronological results of by the end of this 200 vote counting. So let's hope for the best. Still there are 97 number of ballot paper pending in the ballot box. Our counting officers are engaged and very attentively counting procedure is going on. Let's hope for the best and let's see who will be the winner. Thank you.
After a long week procedure of student cabinet formation, finally the results of our procedure is out. This is in my hand. Now it's time for announcement of the result. Finally, OAB Lefripada has got its student cabinet. First of all, I shall declare the winner of Prime Minister. The post goes to Pradyumna Alatia from class 9. From Pradyumna. He has secured 111 number of votes. Then Health Minister, the post goes to Subrat Behera from class 9. He has secured 103 number of votes. Then the post of Education Minister, the winner is Adarsh Naik from class 9. He has secured 87 number of votes. After this, the post of Sports and Cultural Minister, the winner is Pritam Shah from class 9. He has secured 109 number of votes. The last post is of Food Minister. The position goes to Soumya Ranjan Padira from class 1. Congratulations to all the winners. Thank you. Start the procedure of oath taking. I would like to call Pradyumna Alatia first to take his oath.
I, Pradyumna Alatia of class 9
of OAB Lefripada,
of OAB Lefripada,
having been appointed for the position of
Prime Minister, hereby
solemnly swear
that
I will faithfully discharge to the best of my ability the duties of my present position and of all others that may hereafter hold under the Republic of OAB Lefripada, that I will bear the true faith and allegiance to the same, that I will obey the laws, legal orders by authorities of the Republic of OAB Lefripada,
by the authorities of the Republic of OAB Lefripada,
and that I impose
and that I impose
this obligation
upon
myself
voluntarily.
voluntarily. Jai Hind.
Jai Hind.